Hello guys. So the next thing we are going to see, the next data structure which we are going to see is sets. The Redis sets data structure stores the unique set of members, which means there won't be any duplicates. It's similar like list, but list will store duplicate values. If you add multiple duplicates, it will accept, but set won't accept. So using the sets, you can do multiple operations like adding the element, getting the element, removing the element. So here we won't say element, instead we will say members in sets. Okay. So using the sets, you can do multiple operations, sorting operations, inserting operation, union, intersection, difference, like mathematical operation that we usually use for the Venn diagrams. So let's go for next commands. So there are a lot of commands we can use. So this is going to be a important topic in Redis because based on this, there are multiple data structure has been created. Sort is used for many algorithm works. Okay, let's come for the sets. First set add. As add is nothing but adding the element or adding members to the set. Yes, rem means removing the members from the set. Yes, members, which length of the members you can say how many members in the set. Yes, pop, which will pop out the top elements. Yes, god, which give a length. So actually yes members will actually useful for iterating it. Yes, intersection union differential means we can create two sets. Okay, what's the common element between them? In order to find that one, S intersection we will use. Union, we will join these two sets. Differentiation, what's the difference between these two sets, which is getting varied. So if you see right hand side, this diagrammatic approach will help you to understand how it actually stores. It's similar like list only. So instead of duplicates, it shows only unique values. Set of distinct values. If you see that line, this is the actual image from the Redis websites. This is the best definition and best diagrammatic representation. Let's go for practical approach. So how we can add to element, add the member to the set means just simply you have to give the command like s add. So it will ask you a key. So if you take player IDs, those are uniques. Player IDs are uniques. You can say 101, 102, 103, 104, 104. Here I try to give duplicate of 104 IDs. Let's see how set actually works. We can see here. So here it took only 4 even though there was 5 members because 104 is duplicated, but it won't take it. It will just leave it. It will check for whether that element exists or not. If it exists, then it will remove. So next what we are going to do, we are going to get those elements. So if you see get, it's not coming because there is no such thing like get elements. You have to use members. Okay, in that members you have to use player IDs. So if you see here you can see only 4 elements because it has only unique elements. So next is we can remove the element by giving the keys. Keys player IDs. Player is 101. So now if you see members, there are 3 elements only. That's it. So next is we saw how to add, how to iterate or how to list that. Now we need to know how to find the length of these elements. So for that you already know it's a cardinality. S card means cardinality, which is the length of the set. So you have to give the key name, player IDs. Simple. 3. Cool, right? Okay. Let's go something deeper. Let's create 2 sets. We will find intersection, differentiation, and union. Okay. Okay. So let's dive deeper inside. So okay. So let's go to create 2 sets. I'm creating 2 sets, which is set 1. Okay, which has the value of 1 to 4. So set 2. So which is taking the value of 1, 3, 4. Okay. I need to know what is the common values between both. So for that you need to give S intersection, and then you have to give how many sets you want to just do intersection operation. Here I give only set 1, set 2. You can give multiple sets, set 3, set 4, multiple set. You can give. So the common between these two sets is 1 and 4 values. But I want all these values. For that you have to give union of set 1 and set 2. You will get all the values. But I want the difference in two elements in set 1 and set 2, which is nothing but 2, because it will check with first set to next sets. So whatever is difference of first set which you are actually giving, that difference value only given out. Okay. So one more is the store. So here only you saw only yes inter will only give the result, but I want to store in separate set. So that particular time we can use set 3 to store the intersection of set 1 and set 2. So if you just do S members of set 3, the intersection same like union store set 4. I want combined value of set 1, set 2. S members of set 2, sorry, set 4. Yes, it's a joint value. So same for S differentiation of S diff store of set 5, set 1 and set 2. So it will store set 1, what are the values which is different from the set 2 will be stored in set 5. So which is 2 value. So not to get that S members, sorry, S members set 5. Got it? That's all. Thanks for watching. Next we are going to see one important topic in sets. Thanks for watching once again.